Hello everybody and welcome back in another video. In the previous video I have explained in details how to work with Git and GitHub. Actually I just explained the basics of Git and GitHub. Basics is very important. I mean you can deal with Git and GitHub just with using the basics. You can work with Git and GitHub if you just know the basics that I have already explained in the previous video. But of course, if you want to work more confidently with Git and GitHub, you need to know extra information. You need to know another information, another commands, which is some more advanced commands in Git and GitHub. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the branches, how to solve or fix the conflict when you try to manage two branches, and also the most important thing here is how to return back or how to go back to a specific version or a specific commit in the past. As we said before, GitHub is like a time machine. You can go back and work with any commit that you have created in the past. So how can I work with the previous commit? So the first of all, you can see here I want just it's my GitHub repo or repository. So I'm just try to see this. For example, you can imagine that your friend or the company that you work with it have this project in GitHub or software project in GitHub repo, and you want just to work with this. You should have a permission to work with this. So just I have here, you can see code, and just copy the code. I explained how to upload or push the code in the GitHub, but now here just I need to clone the code to work with. So here just go, for example, I have Flutter, so I go to Android Studio and work with Flutter. You can implement that in CMD, in any command line, any terminal, no problem with that. So now just go to a terminal in the Android Studio, and just I want to go back CD drive. I can create directly create a folder using command line, so using DOS command line. So create a folder called, for example, hub2, for example, anything. CD I want to get hub2, I want to enter inside it. So now I'm inside it. Now I CLS to delete everything or to clear, and then now I want to clone this repository, this specific repository here. I just go here as I said before and copy this link, and I want to clone it here. Just say get clone and URL. Now it will clone it here in this inside this in the G drive and GitHub2 directory. So now it is downloaded. So I want just to open this project. I download it here in the inside GitHub2 and encryption SMS origin. Okay. In this Windows, I want to open it in this window. So I want to do something here. Now I am inside Git. You can see Git branch. Now I am at the master branch, right? So if I want to create a new branch, or I can say Git check out B. That means to create a new branch, and then the name of the branch. For example, I can name it branch 2 or branch 2. So now I have two branch. If I just say get branch, you can see I have master and the branch 2, and now I am inside a branch 2, right? So inside the branch 2 I want to do something. So now I'm inside the branch 2. If you want to go to the branch to the master, just get checkout master, right? Now I'm inside master. If you just get the branch again, now I'm inside master. You can see the star here on the master. So now go back, check out to the branch 2. Inside the branch 2, I want to do something like, for example, I want to add a function. For example, here I have stateless state here. So I can add the function, for example, called the branch, just like this here. Now it is inside the branch 2, right? So I want just to add everything, just to prepare the file to commit. I explained that before. Also get commit. If you not understand that, you can just go back to the previous video about GitHub, and then make a commit to make a new version. Just I can say add method branch 2, right? You can add any commit here, and then get push to push the commit to the branch. Here you can see I should write the name of the branch, so just get push set upstream origin branch 2. You can just add it like this. Now I will push everything to the branch 2. Now I complete that. I push everything in the branch 2. You can go to the GitHub and you can see the result. Now just get checkout to the master. You can see here in the branch 2 I have this, but now if I go to the master and just click here to make a refresh, you can see I don't have a branch method, right? Because now I'm in the master. But now what if I need to make a marriage between master and branch 2? So just now I am in the master, get branch. Now I am the master. When you want to make a marriage between two branches, you should go inside the branch that you need to marriage inside it. Now I want to marriage branch 2 inside master, so I should go inside the master and then just get marriage with which branch? With branch 2. So now I want to make a marriage with the branch 2, and you can just say branch. You can see everything is pretty good, right? You can see just make a marriage. If I just make a refresh here, you can see I have branch 2 now. Now I am inside where? Get a branch. Now I'm in the master, and you can see I have branch 2 in the master. Why? Because I make a marriage without any problem. But when I make some change in the same line or in the same files inside two branch, for example, I make a change in this branch, and my friend or my coworker, my partner, make a same change or another change in the same file in the same line. So here you can see a problem. Now, for example, now I am inside the master branch, right? So in the master branch, I want to make another function. I can make it, for example, so I create this in the master. So just get add get commit m, and you can say add master method or function, and then get push, right? I push it to the master now. Just waiting. Now I push everything to the master. Now I am just go to the checkout, go to the branch 2 again. You can see now in the branch 2, if I just click without master. In the branch 2, I want to add another one. For example, I can add not a master, but I want to add another function here. For example, name it Osama here, right? Also, I want to make commit get add. You can make it like this in the same commit or in the same command. You can make commit and add just like this. Get commit, and here a and m, that mean add and then message, and add a message. For example, add Usama function, right? Now just make an add and commit in the same command. Now just get push. You can just imagine my coworker make this change here in this branch, in the branch 2, and me or I create a change in the branch, in the master branch. Now there, if I want to make a marriage, you can just try. Now I am inside get a branch. I am inside the branch 2. I want just to check out to the master because I want to make a marriage. You can see in the master I have master, not Usam, not like a branch 2. So I go to the branch 2, get check out to the branch 2. You can see I have Usama. Get check out to the master again. In the master I have master. So now I want to make a marriage. Now I'm inside master. I just get marriage with which one? With the branch 2, of course. Now you can see automatic marriage failed. Fix conflict and then commit the result. Here the GitHub is confusing. Cannot make an and automatically merge, because there is something here. You can see, just I add here, you can see the head here, between head and this here, this commit inside the current branch, which is master branch. I have master, but in the branch 2 here, I have another, in the same file I have another function which is Usama. So tell me which one you need, this or this, because my coworker or my partner make a function in another branch and I create another function in this branch. So it's confusing, it's conflict. So how to fix this conflict? You can just, it's very easy. Maybe you need to delete one, this for example, or delete this and just make this, or you can just keep both of them. So just I delete this commit here. I want to keep both master and Usama, so just delete it by yourself. Now there's no problem. Now just make a commit again, just get add, and then get commit m marriage, which one, master with branch 2. Just you can add a commit, and that is now get push again. Now everything pretty good, there's no problem. I make a marriage and push it. Now get the branch. Now I am in the master branch. You can see in the master branch we have Usama, branch 2, master and Usama. I make a marriage. I just go back to the branch 2. Sorry, get checkout. Branch 2. You can see in the branch 2 I have just Usama. So I make a marriage without any problem. Just how to this, in this way, how to fix the conflict. Now I will show you how to return back to a specific commit. Now, for example, you can see here, I go to my project here. You can see in the GitHub I have multiple, I have 16 commits, right? Click here. See the last one, marriage master with branch, which is the last one I created. I have already created, right? But what if I need to undo? I want to return back to the previous, to the specific or particular commit in the past. For example, I want this one. For example, I commit on the 3 September, because yesterday I created. So I want to go here, for example, or F2 in master or anything. I want just to. If you want to do that, you have two choices. The first one, just copy the ID or the SHA for the commit. From here, just click here. That means I copy it. And then just go here. Or you have another way, just get log and here one line to make it to see everything in there, just one line. You can see I have many of commits here. You can see the head now, the last commit is add Usama function in the branch 2, because I'm in the branch 2. Q again. Now I want to go back to the one of this commit. For example, this commit, I can just copy this from here. Or as I said before, just go here and make a commit. For example, I make a commit for this F2 in master. Just click here, print the SHA, and then here just get checkout and the ID, which as I have already copied from the GitHub. And now I want to go back to this commit. You can see now I have branch, master, and everything here. Now if I just go back and just make a fresh click here, you can see I have nothing here. This is a previous commit, which is this. I create this commit maybe before 2 days, maybe before 1 month. I go back to this commit. I can create this commit. I can just push this commit or transfer this commit to another branch. For example, just I want to make this get a branch. The name, I create a new branch, for example, name it history commit, and then just paste the commit here. Now I will transfer the commit to another branch as the head will be the first one in the branch. So just click here. Now if I just say get branch, now I am here in the commit, but I want to go to the history branch to get to the history commit. Now you can see I am in the history commit. Just get the branch, Now I'm in the history commit. I can just get to the master again. Go to the master, check out master, and you can see in the master I have those functions. I hope you understand that. Thank you very much.